he is right there. What's going on, you guys, and welcome to another video. We are doing something pretty crazy. This is very last minute. My brother's friend has a Nissan Z. He's on his way over here. We're going to install an exhaust. It's the Tomei exhaust, so it should sound pretty good when it's done. It's just the cat back. Hopefully when we're done, we'll do some flybys down on the street, get some sound clips for you. But this is also the first time we're going to be using the lift on a car and doing some modifications. We did put this up on there to make sure everything was good. This car will be the first car on here that we do an actual modification for, and he is right there. There she is. This is sick. So this is the Z. How do I move this thing forward? Look at this bad boy. He's letting me drive it, which is crazy. That's what it sounds like stock. This thing is sick. Look at that display. Pull it up in here. Yo, this interior is fire.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
That display is huge.
Pretty sick.
The display?
Yeah, look at it.
Oh, wow.
The whole screen's electronic too.
Why
Like, look at that.
The Panasonic, like the G7, the mirrorless, the Lumix. Bro, look at that bazooka. Bro, you get this is like an RPG. That's gonna look
So this
sick.
is the resonator then.
Yeah, that goes in the middle. So
Yeah.
I think this is all the hardware in this box. Unless this bolts on to just where like the pipes meet, and you don't have to go all the way up to the cabs.
Right.
Great pipes. So.
Right. This stuff is super light.
As long as it's not a Nissan Leaf, I'm cool. I got real JDM and I got fake JDM. What do you want?
This thing is massive.
Hello?
Straight piped, basically. Yeah, it should connect straight to the
Right here where it splits in two.
Yeah.
Right
Yeah.
underneath that little
Exactly.
brace. Which honestly is easier than I even thought it would be.
Yeah.
Tomei exhaust?
Get them angles, son.
There it is. Woo! There's exhaust on them, but it's not like the Tomei. I mean, this is so quiet as it is, but it's got two resonators, and the Tomei resonator is not much of a resonator, it's just a big...
Straight pipe.
Yeah. One part.
Now there's no going back.
Yeah. I mean, getting these hangers off is just one bolt in this, so...
So loud.
Alright. Y'all ready to go get hearing aids together? Taking you for a ride. Oh, there you go. We get these off and then we're just working from there back, and it's really not that bad.
Good, good.
We'll just test it right in.
We're good to go.
Okay.
Take her out. Ooh, this piece. Alright, let's turn this thing on.
The rear end does look good.
What we're doing, took the mid pipe off. We're gonna just start it. So it's gonna be pretty much straight piped. Here we go. I'm gonna stand out here actually. Oh, it's not too bad.
That was very anticlimactic.
A little bit. Sounds pretty good.
Not as loud as we expected.
I thought it was gonna be stupid loud.
It's because you still got those little 1-inch...
Yeah, those pipes are pretty small.
Pool noodles under
It does. Where's the exhaust? I want to show them what he's talking about. Are these pipes right here are like so tiny? It's like 1.5 inches. Look at this.
Well, you can still go show them under the car too. Like the mid pipe's still that small.
Like this is my finger. That's 1 inch. This is like an inch and a half. That's
At
crazy, dude.
On a good day. For now, I'll find a mid-pipe.
Yeah, if you get a mid-pipe, take the cats out, it should scream. The cats and the tiny pipes is pretty much what's holding you back.
Yeah, I thought it'd be way louder.
Just leave it like that.
I mean, yeah, I get. Oh, I win. Oh no, not gonna get. Oh no, that's how it mounts up, so we're good.
Yeah.
We're good. This side, because that's the side that. It's just practice, bro.
You got it figured out now.
Yeah, we're good. I hope I pulled the right side.
We just gotta figure out which way it goes.
That way.
Well, if it goes,
That
it goes on like that.
That mates to that, yeah.
Get the gasket.
Here, I'll put that on. Maybe it goes the other way. I think it goes the other way.
You think?
I think so, yeah.
We got the mid-pipe or the resonator on correctly this time. On first.
That's fine. Here, give me the hanger.
Okay.
We're gonna win this battle. Don't worry. This is the worst part. I'm telling you.
Just get a good grip on it.
Yeah, that's off. Oh, well,
Hey, well, just don't use your fingers.
It's that word right there. What?
Uh-oh.
There we go.
On first.
We gotta like.
Oh, we messed up.
Never mind.
You gotta throw these on first.
Oh, they can see it. Everything's stuck on the edge. We're like, oh fuck. That's how it sits like that. Yeah, it's normal for not to sit even. To be honest with you, this is the best that Tomei that's lined up the best I've.
Alright, so everything is installed. We are done.
Dude, look how perfect that is.
Did you tighten those 3? Alright, we are done. We're gonna go ahead and lower her down, hear what she sounds like.
Ready when you are.
It's rattling a little bit. So we hear a slight rattle.
I need the keys.
It rattles. It doesn't matter. I got mine. Alright, so we're gonna go out for a test drive, make sure everything is good, there are no rattles. We did fix one of the rattles and everything is good, so we're gonna go out for a test drive and do a couple pulls and make sure everything sounds good.
We're going back watching go.
No, I think you should be fine.
Here we go, moment of truth. We're good.
Woo! Yeah. sounds good. Any rattles? Anything? All good?
No rattles.
All good?
You smell the
Yeah.
so
Yep.
new. That was the first
Yep.
one beat on it, but we're at 420 miles, so we're pretty good.
We're good.
That's the
Yeah, it
first time
sounds
it's
good.
Dude, when you get on it, when you put it in sport, it loses traction. You hear it go.
Yeah, I did hear that. Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's nice. Up next is the mid pipes. Yeah. Oh shoot. Oh, about to get hit by the sprinklers. Well, that's a wrap. Sounds good. Looks good. It sits out perfectly. I guess up next is gonna do the mid pipes. Make it a little bit louder, because those pipes in there were pretty small. So he wants to change that.
We had to do the next part of getting rid of that mid pipe.
Dude, literally.
You want to sit in and get like a video of it starting up so you can stick all the Z.
Oh yeah.
Here, you can do it. I can do a video of it.
Oh yeah. Sounds good from in here.
Dude, it's not droney at all.
Yeah. Sounds really good.
It's definitely got a little more balls with the intake and that. It breathes so much better.
Dude, when you get the mid pipe and all that,
it's so bad.
your turbos, you'll hear them a little bit more.
Did you hear it when I gave it a little
Just a
gas?
little bit,
You
yeah.
hear 'em, yeah.
This interior though is fire.
I had to light up these, the plate and everything.
Oh, that's fire.
I will say my Instagram's overrated MK5. Mainly it's for the Supra. This is the new build, so stay tuned. We're gonna do more stuff with this.
Yep.
Supra's got a lot coming. 300 wide body kit, Liberty Walk hood, custom work wheels. Trunk setup's gonna be done here in about a week.
It's gonna get wrapped, so this thing's gonna get
wrapped.
the
It's all
whole
gonna get
works.
Body kit. We're gonna sell these raised fork wheels. Who knows what we're gonna get? Stay tuned for that.
It's gonna end this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure to smash like button. If you guys are new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.